Hey, what's up, guys? Hop here for TFBTV. We are at SHOT Show 2026, our annual pilgrimage to the Palmetto State Armory booth. We are still talking to Justin about the AXR Series, and you guys are doing pistols in the AXR Series as well.
Yeah, so this is our new line of AXR pistols, and this is going to be kind of our next evolution in our pistol platform. We already make the Dagger, which has been massively successful. It's Gen 3 compatible pistol. This is similar in the sense that it's still going to be compatible with Gen 3 slides. But this is the AXR series, so it has our MFC unit in it, which is a modular fire control unit. A lot of people know what that is. It's just a serialized unit that you can pop between different grip modules. So what I have here is a 17 size grip. We'll have a 15 round grip as well. It's coming to be compatible with Glock magazines. We also have a micro over there that's going to use slightly smaller MFC, so that will be a different serial number. That's compatible with our Dagger micro magazines, which is 43X. But they hold 15 instead of the traditional 10, I think, that a 43X comes with. But with the micro MFC, we'll be able to make a couple different models. So just picture the different companies that make micro handguns will probably have something that's compatible, which kind of leads me to my next point. So there's a lot of great texturing and stuff on these new AXR pistols. But the really cool thing is that we can do different things. So what I have here, or if you want to hold that one. So what I have here is going to be a big shakeup in the industry. This is an AXR that's going to be the S Series. These are compatible with 320 magazines. So 320 magazines, grip module, but up top, it's still a Gen 3 Glock slide. So great use of people who have a ton of 320 magazines. You still get all the AXR texture and stuff. Same MFC as the one you're holding, but now you can have a 320 compatible with Glock internals up top. So whether you choose our Glock internals or somebody else, it's going to be compatible.
So you can basically build out exactly the same gun in different configurations with a bunch of different magazine types, depending on what you've stocked up on or what you prefer.
Exactly. Yeah. Whatever you have at home. All the ones we sell are going to be RMR cut from the factory. They have all these AXR style slides. But like I said, this is going to be the next generation of our handguns. The pricing is going to fall in line with the current handgun offerings, so somewhere in between Dagger and Saber Dagger. So going to be very affordable for the average guy. It's going to give you a ton of different options, which behind us we have actually our new PDW line, which builds onto this AXR handgun line as well. So what I have here is kind of the base model of what the PDW system is. So same MFC that we just talked about, but now you're throwing it into a PDW grip module. What you get with that at launch is going to be Glock compatibility on the magazines. So we have a Glock mag right here, and then we have a spare in the front. This uses the same brace system as our X57, so it does shoot out. We'll have different options for stocks versus braces if you want to SBR it. But we're still using that same Gen 3 slide up top. So what you see here is probably the most slimmed down version that you can do. So you could go as basic as this, or we'll have a ton of different accessories available as well.
Yeah, see, there's a lot of configurations here. Are you guys just like testing out configurations,
No, so these are
all going to be modular?
Yeah, these are all going to be modular. So from what I just held up there, where it's just a slick slide, you could build something like this that has a charging handle. It's got M-LOK mounting all around. You can mount your optics through M-LOK, or you could do Picatinny like I have down here. The options are really going to be endless. The main thing is the grip module, and then from there, as much close to a PDW as the customer wants to build it, or if they just want it to look like a pistol with a brace, they have that option, right? So, just modularity, stuff for the customer to build. We want them to have it their way and, do it all at home.
You guys going to offer all of the individual parts a la carte, or is it going to be more like buy an up or buy a lower?
No, it'll be a la carte. So, if you need a slide or a different frame or just an M-LOK section to build out, whatever you want to do, we'll have that available.
Awesome. And also with the pistol, you guys have polymer frames, PDW and pistol, both polymer. Is there a possibility of like a super heavyweight, steel frame that the FC will drop into?
Yeah,
as well?
so we have a couple steel frames that we're looking at doing internally, but we've also partnered with Icarus.
Okay.
They make metal frames for a couple different manufacturers as well, so we'll have some of those available at launch as well.
Fantastic. And you guys have a timeline on when these are going to be launching?
Yeah, so we're in endurance testing on these now. We're hoping like maybe early fall on these. But again, that's all going to be dictated by how that endurance testing goes.
So this isn't completely Dagger compatible because the Dagger still uses a traditional serialized frame versus the chassis system. Are you guys going to stop doing the Dagger, or is that going to just be a parallel product line with the AXR?
No, the Dagger is just going to be a parallel product line with the AXR. Same with the saber daggers. So this will just fall into the family. We're going to add another line to our facility down in Somerville, where all of our pistols are made. So it'll just be a new line addition. And like you said, it is compatible with Dagger slides. So if you already have those and you just want to get into the MFC ecosystem, all you would technically have to buy is an MFC and a grip module.
Justin, thank you for walking us through the guns.
Yeah, thank you guys for stopping by.
Stay tuned, everybody. We still got at least a couple more videos, a couple more products to check out at the PSA booth at SHOT Show 2026, TFBTV and TFB Showtime.